Back down. Early. Other knee. 1, 2, knee elbow. 3, 4, 5. Okay, back to plank. Chaturanga. Upward dog. Back chaturanga. Down dog. Just using your couple breaths. 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna jump forward again. Jump forward and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sit on your back, roll back. Really up and jump up in here. Ready? Roll back. 1, 2,